Well, hello, my lovely Cancerians. Welcome to your reading for the year 2021. This is going to be an overview for your yearly forecast. And I'm going to be looking at all the aspects that I get messages for and deliver them to you as and how I see them. So, if you could please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon for me. We already have two cards for you, right? And also, if this reading helps you in any which way, please make sure that you hit the like button also for me. Considering there are quite a few things happening for you in the year 2021. You get the card of King of Pentacles as your major theme. So you are in for a huge amount of abundance, both in professional and your personal area. I also feel like Cancerians, you could be working towards something big. You could be thinking about establishing something big or laying the foundations for a more secure future for yourself. But of course, the Cancerian can never get enough of security. So whatever this is you're working towards is looking really big and very, very fruitful. You also have the Taurus energy here. A lot of you Cancerians could be dealing with a Taurus. It could be a friend, it could be family member, or it could be someone you are dealing with at the professional front. But this person is looking like a strong support in your life. And some of you Cancerians could be having a very strong presence of Taurus in your own chart as well. The year begins for you feeling a little confused about which direction you need to go in. But as you proceed further, March onwards, rather after March, I feel like there is a better time or a time of abundance and stability meant for you in your life with the Four of Wands energy. There's definitely some kind of celebration, marriage, function, or an event taking place that you could feel like celebrating around. This is either you or someone coming into your life, but I get the Ace of Wands energy. You could be beginning something new in your life in the year 2021 at around after March or April, right? So, like I said, there is definitely some celebration here going on with regards to relationship. I'm going to come to that, but let me take the other cards first. We also have the card of Justice, Libra energy. We also have the card of Eight of Swords. So you could be dealing with a Libra or someone with a strong Libra in their chart. You could be having a strong Libra in your chart, but you're learning to balance your life. You're learning to balance your emotions. Sometimes there's still confusion with regards to a situation or a relationship, and you also get the Hermit. You could be dealing with a Virgo as well, or you could have a strong Virgo in your own chart, and you may be wanting to go in and get answers from there. I feel like Cancerians, you are having a lot of these epiphany moments and you're doing a lot of soul searching that's happening here. You are definitely turning in for these answers and you're getting them there. You get the card of Wheel. This is the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like this is a time for positive change. You have closed chapters on something old in your life, and this is time for the fortune to favor you. And there's some relationship in your life that is continuing to grow closer to you with the Two of Water energy. I also feel like there's going to be some kind of a positive resolution to a conflict. This could even be the conflict inside of you. You're in a conflict you're dealing with. There's going to be a good positive resolution to that in the year 2021. You get the King of Air and the card of the Hermit. I feel like Cancerians, you're very, very intuitive in this year for sure, and you're also being asked to speak your mind with a lot of confidence. If there is need to seek out professional advice for something, please go ahead, do that. It could be health, it could be the work that you're looking to start, or your yeah, but mind is going to be of a lot of importance because I see mind being a little restless. At the same time, the spirit is saying that you are looking to go in with the card of the Hermit here, and as you go in, you're going to get a lot of answers within. You also get the card of Emperor, and my God, there are some major arcana cards here for you, Cancerians. Year 2021 is not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth for sure. On the contrary, you're going to learn so much about yourself, relationships, people around you, that this is giving you manifold growth in your abundance, financial security. A lot of you Cancerians are also going out to buy landed property. or invest in something huge. This could be gold, you could be investing in gold, you could be investing in shares, stock market, you could be investing in property, whatever it is you're investing in. Um, you are looking to grow from there. You are going to follow a lot of discipline, and you need to take care of your diet. I keep getting that again and again. Let me draw you some cards from this deck for Cancerians in the year 2021, please. For Cancerians. For Cancerians, yeah. We have the card of the eagle, Cancerians. I feel with the card of the eagle, you are going to soar towards your destiny, and there's going to be greater clarity and strength to you. Like the eagle, you're not going to remain on the ground for long looking or hunting for whatever it is you have planned in your mind. With the card of the emperor, for sure, I know you're going to be staying away from the masses, or staying away from the crowd. Pull your energy back from the crowd, and you're going to think from a very strong, deeper self. That's why we have the card of the hermit here. Anything you're planning here is going to come out for, you're planning this for the longer run, and this is going to be here. This is here to stay, is what I want to say. You get the card of creation. Like I said, your mind is very fertile in the year 21, and you're looking to build, create, balance. You get the Libra energy again. I feel like you are learning to balance yourself in every which way, Cancerians. You're learning that, and this is a strong theme for you in the year 2021. Give me more messages for Cancerians, please. You have acceptance. Cancerians, I feel like you are accepting people, situations. Your past is what I'm seeing strongly for whatever it was. And you are going to move on from there. You know what the things that have happened with you in the past, whatever it is that took place. And you're releasing that, which is like a giant step for a Cancerian, given that they releasing is a little difficult for them. But you're doing that in the year 2021, and this is bringing beautiful energy for you. Let me draw you some cards from the Oracle deck. For Cancerians, please. What messages do you have for year 21 for Cancerians? For Cancerians, please. Get two cards here. Let me. Wow, you have three. You get the card of infinite abundance. Wow, you have four. In the flow, Cancerians, you're already in the flow of infinite abundance. You're going to have to choose your path, about where it is you want to go, which direction you want your destiny to take you in, because you get the card of wondrous universe, walk in beauty. Whatever it is you are wanting, you are manifesting, and year 2021 is here to give you everything you want. So choose carefully whatever it is you're wishing for, because you're already in the flow of that energy that's going to bring you the much awaited life, or people, situations, or circumstances that you want for yourself. So let me go ahead and get you some messages from the crystals. Let's see what spirit has to say to you. I'm seeing the energy of a bull. Bull again would mean a Taurus energy. And this to me means you're going to be very headstrong and focused about what it is you want to manifest in your life. A lot of you Cancerians are also looking to buy house, property, land, plot, do something with building, construction, but that's coming on very strong. Some of you could even be renovating. I see a lot of you Cancerians spending a lot of time in um, rejuvenating yourself in some kind of a retreat or spa. You're doing that to yourself. You're pampering yourself. Yeah, some of you could be doing the interiors again. You're definitely drawn to jewelry a lot. I see a lot of white stones or diamonds. This depends on you. But I feel like you're going to be drawn to a lot of jewelry, gemstones, precious stones in the year 2021. could be wearing them, you could be dealing with them, you could be buying crystals and keeping around you. But stones and precious, semi-precious stones, they're attracting you a lot in the year 2021. So whatever crystal you feel guided to, you feel like picking up, that is the one that your energy body demands from you. Make sure you cleanse it well before using it. So that's all the messages I have for you in the year 2021. But this is just the overview for you, Cancerians. To subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you get notified when I'm putting up more detailed messages for your sign, as well as hit the like button for me if this reading helps you in any which way. And also comment below and let me know if you are trying to manifest health, wealth, abundance, or if you'd like a free reading from me, then type yes and leave it in the comment box below. I will come back to you. So that's what I have for you for now. And all right, stay blessed and stay beautiful.